Do, 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 do. Hey, kia ora, Helen Brahms here, coming to you live from Mesa in Arizona. Hope you're all having a super fantastic, sparkling Serenity Sunday. How has our day been? I'm sorry this is almost an hour late, but I woke up just a few minutes ago from a really cool nap. I was not expecting to have a two, three. I wasn't expecting to nap as long as we napped. Let's just put it that way. But it's been very cool day. We did our first live was really late. In fact, I think it was this afternoon when we posted our first live of the day. But we'd just gotten back from visiting with one of our neighbors here who showed me these incredible photographs from Africa that she went on the trip she went on to in 2018. They were amazing photographs, and she got some really cool shots. Um, so we did that. We came back here. We did our live. We had some lunch. We did a little bit of packing and just a little bit of relaxing. And I was sitting at the table here and I was playing some cards on the computer and I could not keep my eyes open while I was on the computer. My head was almost hitting the table. I was falling asleep here at the table, and so I was like, I'm gonna go take me a nap. Zeffy was already in there taking a nap, and she'd already come out to check on me and gone back in again. Like she was saying, "Come on, Mum, let's go nap." So we napped um and woke up a few minutes ago. So I don't even know how long it was, like 2 or 3 hours. But it was great. It was awesome. I obviously needed it. And it means that it's going to get me ready for this week. I did make a vet appointment for Zeffy on Tuesday on our way to our next camping ground, which I'm not 100% sure if we've got that one yet or not. I found a really cool one that I have actually sent them an email because I tried calling because I don't have anything online that you can actually book. You actually got to call them. But it said the office was closed. So I sent them an email. And because they had on their website that if your vehicle is over 10 years old, we do require photographs. They actually had it on the website. I thought, I like this. They've letting me know up front. And so I had a couple of photographs and so I sent them an email saying, hey, I'm looking at coming in on this particular date here. I want to stay for this length of time. And when I was looking at their rates, it was actually cheaper for me to book a month with them, even though I'm only going to be there like 2 weeks, then head to California and then come back again. But now it gives and it's 18 hours. When they call me tomorrow morning, or when I call them tomorrow morning, because I'm going to try calling them in the morning, they'll have the photographs of the RV. They've got a picture there of Zeffy, so they know about her. She will be up to date on her shots by the time we get there. There's a couple of shots that she's due to have, and so we're getting those done on Tuesday on the way there. In fact, I think the vet is like 5 miles from the campground. It's actually on the way, so it's nice. Had to go along and find the Banfield one that was along the route. So it's like, have the route up. Where's my Banfields? So we got that all taken care of. It's like a 40-minute drive RV time from here to get to there. And I was trying to figure out, and I've got her at a 10:45 appointment. And so I'm like, okay, we're going to be in Arizona traffic on a Tuesday. So do I get up extra early and leave here and we go camp out in the parking lot? Because I need to be somewhere by before 9 o'clock Mountain Time to do my morning wake up call. So I need to be somewhere by then to do that. Sometimes we go over with that. So do I let them know that, hey, I have to leave at such and such a time. I'm going to take Zeffy to the vet on the way to our next campground. But I've also got to allow time for me to pack up. So do I get everything packed up in the RV? So the only thing I need to do before we roll out of here is turn the engine on and get the slides in. And so I'm sort of like, yeah, what do I do? So we're working on that. We'll probably do the thing like get up, be on the road by 8 o'clock, go find somewhere to park for a bit in a shopping centre somewhere that's on the way. I do have to get gas and I do have to get propane. So those are two things I also have to take care of that day. But our next campground, we're not going to be booking. We've got to be out of this one by 11. She's got to be at the vet by 10:45, and it's like a 20-minute drive from here, supposedly. But then that's not allowing for traffic. So it's probably going to take us a little longer. So that's why I want to make sure that we're out of here early enough. And I need to get gas and propane as well. So it's going to be a busy Tuesday, and I have to be in place on the campsite by 3 o'clock because I have a call at 3 o'clock. I didn't plan very well on that, on blocking that day off from calls, until I realized, oh my gosh, that's the day I'm traveling. Oh! So I'm going to call them first thing in the morning and get that all sorted out with them. And then I'm going to be there for a month, but there'll be a week where I'll be in California and then back again, because it's cheaper for me to do it that way. Because 2 weeks, the 2 week rental rate, when I looked at the rental rate, and that was like $80 less. If you took their weekly rate, doubled it, it was $80 less than the full month rate. And I'm like, may as well book it for the month, take that week out, go to California, do what I need to do there, then come back, and I've got somewhere to come back to. So that's what we're going to do. See, that all works out. So, so we've got that in there. Haven't seen any emails from them yet, because I checked before I got on the live. But we will check first thing, so I'll check again tomorrow. I'll wait for their phone call to come through, and we'll take it from there. And if they haven't got room, there's still another couple places that I've got up my sleeve that will work as well. So that's it for us for Serenity Sunday. So we've been slowly working today, just pottering around, doing a little bit here and a little bit there of getting stuff packed up. I'm going to go sit on the floor shortly and go through Zeffie's box, because I haven't done that yet. I've got bags all over the place with her stuff in it, because I got stuff for her birthday, so it's hidden away at the moment. Well, not really hidden away. It's in a shopping bag. She can go sniff it out, but she tends to sniff at the shopping bags, and because she can't get inside the bags that are inside the shopping bags with all the treats and everything, because they're sealed, she just loses it. She just loses thing, except for when she wants a treat at night. There's a box sitting by the cupboards over here in the kitchen, and so she'll actually go and sit by it and just look at it, and then look at me and look at it. So say, I want one, please. So she's getting pretty smart at that sort of stuff. And I said, oh, you want a treat, do you? Now she's up on the windowsill. She's had a big nap this afternoon. So, but anyway, that's it from us for today. It's been an awesome, awesome day. Great way to charge the batteries for what is going to be an extremely busy, busy week. Yes, it's going to be a very busy week this week, even with taking a day out to move. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun, but it's going to be an awesome, awesome week, because I like busy weeks. Yay! Anyway, I'm out of here for today. So have a super fantastic, sparkling evening. We will catch you guys tomorrow for Magic Monday. Hakonera.